How to fix Toyota app not working. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Toyota application is not working, it might be because of a bug or a glitch issue. In order to solve it, just tap open your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of apps. Head over to all apps. Then you need to tap on the search icon to search for Toyota. Firstly, tap on the Force Stop button and OK. Head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. After which, head back from here once again. You will see this Open button. You can tap on it. It is as equivalent to opening it as an administrator in your PC. By this way, the issue of your application not working must be solved. If not, check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into a better Wi-Fi network, cellular data, or enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. If you are connected to any of the VPN connection, make sure to disable it. Kindly note that if your Toyota application is undergoing an update, it will simply not work. In that case, have a little patience, then relaunch it after a couple of minutes. And this is how you'll be able to fix your Toyota app not working. This is the wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.